At the forefront of innovation, ICL is committed to revolutionize our industrial operation through cutting-edge technologies. In today's world, blindness is not an option. The consequences of overlooking potential risks can lead to shutdowns and safety risks. This is why we have pioneered ICL Drone and Robotics program, a game changer for our massive critical infrastructures. Equipped with the state-of-the-art cameras, sensors, and data analysis tools, our drones and robots operate in the air, on land, in confined spaces, and even underwater, fully autonomously or by highly scaled operators. We use autonomous drone to redefine industry inspection from the skies, performing endless miles of power lines and pipe monitoring. Our drones handle civil engineering, infrastructures, and surface mapping with precision and speed, boosting efficiency with 3D modeling and volumetric measurements, and ensuring site security day and night, reaching the inaccessible by monitoring the most complex and dangerous confined spaces, while keeping our employees safe. ICL Drone and Robotics program redefine operational excellence, ensuring a safer, more efficient industrial landscape. When it comes to the future, ICL isn't just ready, we are leading the way.